Ertugrul Ghazi is the founder of the Ottoman Caliphate. He was born in 1188 AD and died in 1280 AD. He was one of the bold, energetic, powerful, merciful and loyal warriors in Islamic history. Ertugrul Ghazi's family came to Anatolia from Central Asia. His father's name was Suleiman Shah, who was leader of Kite tribe. Ertugrul Ghazi had three more brothers, Saram, Zaljan, Gulda-Uro. His tribe initially came from Central Asia to Iran and then from Iran to Anatolia, in order to escape from Mongol invasion. Where Sultan Alabama ud-Din, who was the Sultan of the Seljuk Empire and his Seljuk Turkish Empire, was founded by Sultan Alp Arslan. By defeating Byzantine in the Battle of Manzikert in 1071 AD, Sultan Alp Arslan was a great figure in history and went on to become the head of the same empire. Kite tribe lived under the rule of Sultan Alauddin Oghuz Khan. Ertugrul Ghazi was married with Halima Sultan, an expelled Seljuk princess. He had three sons: Gohar, Shahryar, and Osman. Osman later on established Ottoman Caliphate. But the foundation of the Caliphate was laid by his father Ertugrul Ghazi. The spread of Ottoman Caliphate was over three continents: Asia, Europe, and Africa. The Ottoman Caliphate kept on serving Muslims for more than 600 years, from 1291 AD to 1924 AD. After the death of his father Suleiman Shah, Ertugrul Ghazi became leader of the Kite tribe. He went to Ailo in 1232 AD, where Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi's grandson Aziz ruled. First Ertugrul Ghazi befriended Aziz, then he befriended the Ubayds and the Seljuks. He conquered a stronghold of the Crusaders near Ailo, and then became very close to Sultan Alauddin. As the Mongol invasion approached, Ertugrul Ghazi defeated Noyan, a key Mongol leader. Noyan was the right hand of the Mongol king Ogtai Khan. Ogtai Khan was the son of Genghis Khan, and Ogtai's son was Hulagu Khan escaped. And then Ertugrul Ghazi led his tribe to Sogat near Constantinople, and first there he conquered an important fortress of Byzantine and gathered all the Turkish tribes. After the death of Sultan Alauddin, Ertugrul Ghazi became the Sultan of the Seljuk kingdom, and his descendant was Sultan Muhammad the Conqueror, who conquered Constantinople in 1453 and thus fulfilled the prophecy of the Holy Prophet. Fighters like Ertugrul Ghazi are rare in history, but unfortunately our generation does not know them.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon so that you can get information about our future videos. Don't forget to write comments and like this video to encourage us. Thanks again.